Did you know that chemistry is everywhere? From the food you eat to the air you breathe, it's all chemistry. Welcome to the fascinating world of chemistry. Think of chemistry as the science of stuff. It's all about how things are made and how they change. Imagine you're baking a cake. You mix flour, sugar, eggs, and voila! A delicious cake appears. That's a chemical reaction in action. In chemistry, we study atoms, the tiny building blocks of everything around us. Just like Lego bricks, atoms can join together to form new things. When these atoms interact, they create chemical reactions, which can be explosive or subtle, like rust forming on iron. Chemistry helps us understand how our world works. From creating new medicines to making sure our food is safe, chemistry is key. So next time you bite into a cookie or see a firework display, remember, that's chemistry making magic happen. Stay curious, future chemists, and let's explore this amazing science together.